Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss on important current affairs for 16th July. If the content is helpful, please share, like, comment and subscribe. First question. Which state is in the top in implementation of PM Swanidhi scheme? Correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is in the top position among all states in India in implementation of PM Swanidhi scheme. What is the full form of PM Swanidhi scheme? It is PM Street Vendors Atmanirbhar Nidhi. The scheme was launched on 1st June 2020 by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Under this scheme, microcredit facility is provided to street vendors. This helps to the livelihoods of the street vendors who were adversely affected due to the lockdown. Through this scheme, vendors can get a working capital loan up to 10,000 at a subsidized rate of interest to resume their business. So remember, Madhya Pradesh is in the top position in implementing this scheme. What is the capital of Madhya Pradesh? It is Bhopal. Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh is Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Governor is Anandiben Patel. Next question. What is the theme of World Youth Skills Day for 2020? Correct answer is Skills for a Resilient Youth. When is World Youth Skills Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 15th July every year by United Nations. The aim of this day is to empower youth by skill development and entrepreneurship. Remember, the theme for World Youth Skills Day 2020 is Skills for a Resilient Youth. And about United Nations was formed in 1945. Its headquarters is in New York and its current Secretary General is Antonio Guterres. Next question. Which of the following bank has organized Digital Chopal to mark its 39th foundation day? Correct answer is NABARD. Recently, NABARD has organized Digital Chopal to mark its 39th foundation day. It was formed in 1982. On the occasion of its foundation day, Digital Chopal was organized through video conference where the participants have shared their experiences on different projects of NABARD. What is the full form of NABARD? It is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. As discussed, NABARD was formed in 1982 and its headquarters is in Mumbai. Next question. Legendary player Vin Subier passed away recently. He belongs to which sport? Right answer is football. Vin Subier was a legendary football player. He was born in Netherlands. He played for Netherlands national team and also he was in the national team which played 2 World Cup finals. He also played for a club called Ajax. Next question. Who is the author of the book titled If It Bleeds? Correct answer is Stephen King. Stephen King is the author of the book If It Bleeds, which was released recently. This book is the sequel of his another writing, The Outsider. Stephen King is an American author who is famous for horror, supernatural, and fiction in his writings. Many of his writings were adapted into television series and movies. Next question. Which country has launched AP Star 60 telecommunication satellite recently? Correct answer is China. China has launched a telecommunication satellite AP Star 60 from Xichang Satellite Launch Center, which was developed by China Academy of Space Technology. This satellite helps in high-speed communication of up to 50 gigabytes per second. Do you remember yesterday's question about Von Karman Award 2020? I'm just reminding you about the question as this question is also related to space technology. KC1 has been named for Von Karman Award 2020. And now we'll see the capital and currency of China. Capital of China is Beijing. Its currency is renminbi. And the president of China is Xi Jinping. Next question. Green Railways, an initiative to transform Indian railways towards combating global warming and climate change, is set to achieve by which year? Correct answer is 2030. Indian Railways is set to achieve Green Railways by 2030 with a goal of achieving zero carbon emission. For this, Indian Railways have taken a number of initiatives like electrification, green certification to the stations, and bio toilets, etc. Through this, Indian Railways is contributing its efforts in combating global warming and climate change. About Indian Railways was founded in the year 1845 and our present railway minister is Piyush Goyal. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new Vice President of Asian Development Bank? Correct answer is Ashok Lavasa. Ashok Lavasa has been appointed as the new Vice President of Asian Development Bank. He will be replacing Divakar Gupta as the Vice President. Before this, Ashok Lavasa was an election commissioner. And about Asian Development Bank, it was founded in the year 1996. Its headquarters is in Mandaluyong, Philippines. And the current president of Asian Development Bank is Masatsugu Asakawa. Next question. Which country has banned its companies from sourcing 5G equipment from Chinese telecom company Huawei recently? Correct answer is United Kingdom. United Kingdom has banned its companies from sourcing 5G equipment from Huawei, a Chinese company. As per the guidelines by the UK government, UK telecom providers must not buy any 5G equipment from Huawei, and also all the telecom operators must remove all 5G related equipment supplied by Huawei from their infrastructure by 2027. Where is United Kingdom located? It is in northwestern Europe. Its capital is London, currency is British pound, and the Prime Minister of UK is Boris Johnson. Next question. At which rail coach factory did Indian Railways develop post-COVID coach recently to fight COVID-19? Answer is Kapurthala Rail Coach Factory. Indian Railways developed a post-COVID coach at Kapurthala Rail Coach Factory to fight COVID-19. This coach is designed with amenities like copper-coated handrails, titanium dioxide coating, and plasma air purification, and also foot-operated tap and soap dispenser for COVID-free journey. Where is this rail coach factory located? It is in Punjab, and it was established in 1986. It has manufactured more than 30,000 passenger coaches of different types till now, and it is a production unit with a target of 1025 coaches per year. These are the important current affairs for 16th July. If the content is helpful, please share, like, comment, and subscribe.